Hello folks, so today let's add data into Splunk. First click on it. We have three choices, either to upload, monitor or forward. So let's upload. First of all, select our file. In my case it's access log. You will find them in the description. Then next, Splunk will detect the source type. In our case it's access combined W cookie. Then let's set the input settings. In my case the host is master, which is my computer. The index by default will be main, so no need to create a new index. Let's review this and submit. Now let's start searching to check if the data is within Splunk and all is good. Yeah, thank you folks.